Good night. This is the famous song of the Maneskin, Coraline, and they use symbol arpeggio, if we can call like that. Only two fingers, thumb and index finger in the right hand. So they use a capo in the fifth string, a nut, capotasto in Italiano, nut. So with this nut, the sound is original. So in the same tonality the Maneskin sing this song. So first we have to make little arpeggio with the left hand. Put the first finger, index finger in the second string, and with a thumb and index in the fifth and in the sixth string, we make this 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. It becomes. Then it changes to fifth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and makes the same. Then goes to second position, and now be careful on the third position, but with index in the third and ring finger on the fifth. So this is the first lesson about the song Coraline, and follow the other part next video. Bye. Hi, this is the second part of Coralin Maneskin. And in this second part, we play some different position. This is F position, F major. We play the index finger on the sixth string and the middle finger on the third string of the second fret. In the right hand, we can play thumb, index, or instead of that you can play thumb and middle finger. The original is thumb and middle, but it depends on you. It's up on you. 4 times, and then we move to the third fret. After this second part, there is a sequence of chords. A minor 4 times, E minor 4 times, times, E minor 4 times, F major 4 times, D minor. So, then enters the rhythm, the drums. Be careful to move the ends or with the pick or without the pick as I do. The movement is this. Down, down, hop down, hop down. So, next part, the third part, we will play all the songs. Good job. Hello, this is the third part of Coralin, and it's the refrain that it's when the drums start after a little while. These 4 chords are played in this way. I show you very slow. The original time is follow my pick with the right hand. And the second section of the refrain is there is a little chord insert, but it's 4 times each chord to the end. Slowly is a E minor, a G, E minor, F, G, to the end, and then there is a little solo and restarts with the original chords at the beginning. See you next time for the whole song.